Introducing the Ingersoll Rand ES Series oil-free compressor, combining superior performance and a compact design. Its ISO 85731 Class 0 certification ensures absolute air purity for critical applications. At its core, German-engineered and produced Aran technology surpasses IE5 and IES2 standards, setting the benchmark for sustainable efficiency. The optimized air end redefines reliability with a highly efficient rotor geometry, robust bearings, and high-performance coating. An ultra-compact, direct-coupled motor ensures optimal power and reduces bearing needs for a highly reliable, low-maintenance solution. Reliability is further maximized with the high-speed permanent magnet motor, which eliminates gearbox friction losses. And within its core, the water-cooled Aran jackets based on a closed-loop water circuit deliver superior heat transfer and efficiency, all while operating within an easily accessible, integrated lubrication circuit. The ES Series offers extraordinary compactness by being up to 50% more compact than similar models, giving you the freedom to optimize your operations. And for environments requiring low-noise operation, the ES Series is an ideal choice for placement at the point of use. Its intuitive XE Pro 180 controller offers real-time monitoring, making sure you're always in control. It also comes pre-installed with our IoT solution, Helix Connected Platform, and can be further enhanced with the optional Systems Performance Manager, powered by EcoPlant. Scaling is effortless, as the ES Series seamlessly scales from 55 to 110 kilowatts, ensuring flexible power and air delivery for current and future demands. Additionally, it boosts energy efficiency and cuts costs by being fully compatible with plug-and-play heat recovery systems. Moreover, its compatibility with various dryer technologies ensures easy attainment of optimal pressure dew points, and by choosing our Care Services program, you can ensure smooth and uninterrupted operation. Explore the ES Series oil-free compressor and revolutionize your operational efficiency.